What if I told you that everything, and I mean everything, you've ever been taught about making money is a giant lie? What if there's a secret that Wall Street prays you never, ever find out? Well, get ready, because today we are pulling back the curtain and revealing the laziest, the easiest, and yet the most powerful way to win at the game of money. Let's do this.
Lean in close. This right here, this is the secret password. It's the key to the whole treasure chest. It's a secret so powerful, it almost feels like cheating. I want you to burn this into your brain. If you are sweating, you are losing. That's right. In the world of investing, if you're working hard, you're actually doing it wrong.
Okay, it is time to choose your character. On the left, playing on nightmare difficulty, we have the Wall Street Warrior. Look at him. He's got 6 computer monitors, all flashing red and green. He's screaming into a phone. He's chugging enough caffeine to power a rocket ship. He looks super busy, right? Now, on the right, playing on lazy mode, we have the Buffett. And he's reading a newspaper, he's sipping a cherry Coke, he's just waiting. So who do you think actually wins this game? The answer is going to completely blow your mind.
All right, adventurers, welcome to level 1 of our big quest. This level is called Stop Swimming So Hard. And right now, we are going to expose the biggest lie in the entire world of money, the idea that more effort actually equals more rewards. Get ready for this. I want you to picture the most amazing water park you've ever seen. You got it in your head? Okay. Now inside this park, there's a magical, wonderful, lazy river. You know the one I'm talking about, where the water just gently pushes you along in a big, slow circle. Well, guess what? The entire world of investing is just one giant lazy river. The current, that's just the natural power of good businesses growing, and it's always, always flowing forward, trying to carry you to Treasure Island. And in this lazy river, you've got 2 kinds of swimmers. First up, there's our friend, the Wall Street Warrior. Look at him go. He's thrashing, he's kicking. He is swimming against the current, trying to find some secret shortcut. Man, he looks so impressive. But what's really happening? He's getting totally exhausted. He's swallowing water. And then, look over there. It's the Buffett. He's just chilling on a giant inflatable donut. He isn't kicking, he isn't swimming, he's just letting the magic river do all the work, pushing him toward that finish line with 0 effort and 0 stress. So, are you ready to ditch all that frantic, exhausting swimming? Are you ready to hop on the giant floaty? Good, because it's time to officially welcome you to the lazy river. This is your new home, a magical place where winning is easy, and stress is, well, it's banished forever.
But wait a second, if it's so easy, why isn't everybody doing it? Because of a secret trap the bad guys set for your brain. It's this sneaky little monster called complexity bias. It's like a whisper in your ear that says, ooh, this is way too simple, it can't possibly be right. You need a super secret, complicated treasure map with lots of confusing squiggles on it.
And you know who knows all about this brain monster? Wall Street. They know you crave complicated stuff. So they invent these things with crazy names like derivatives and leveraged arbitrage, not to help you, but to make you feel stupid. Because when you feel stupid, what do? You hand over your money to the smart people in suits. So you see, they're not selling you a ticket to Treasure Island. They're selling you a ticket to confusion. Okay, hero, it is time for the boss battle. To stay on our floaty and win this whole game, we have to defeat the villains that are trying to knock us into the water and steal our treasure. Get your game face on. Let's go!
And this right here, this is our first boss fight. So Warren Buffett, he made a $1 million bet against the super smart, super fast Wall Street Warriors. They laughed at him. They laughed at his lazy, boring plan. They worked 80-hour weeks buying and selling, while he did, well, nothing. And after 10 years, look at this. The super smart guys made 36%. Buffett's boring bucket, which was just a simple, lazy S&P 500 index fund, made 125%. It was a total smackdown. The lazy tortoise didn't just beat the hare, he lapped him 3 times.
You've defeated the first boss. Awesome. But now it's time to meet the next one. He's not exactly evil. He's just completely bonkers. I want you to imagine you have a neighbor. His name is Mr. Market. And let's just say he's a little wobbly and he yells a lot. So on Monday, the sun is shining, the birds are singing, and Mr. Market is super happy. He runs over to your fence and just screams with joy. Hey neighbor, your house is the greatest house in the world. I'll buy it from you right now for $500,000. But then Wednesday comes.
It's cloudy, it's raining, and Mr. Market is having a complete meltdown. He's crying and tearing his hair out, screaming, "The world is ending. Your house is worthless. It's terrible. I'll give you $100,000 just to take it off your hands. Please?" Now look me in the eye. Would you ever sell your awesome house to this screaming, panicking lunatic for a super low price just because he's having a bad day? No, of course not. You'd probably laugh and go back inside. So why on earth do we listen to him when he's screaming about our investments every single day on the news?
You did it. You ignored the crazy neighbor. You've survived the villains, and now it's time to claim your reward. You are about to unlock the ultimate superpower, a force so powerful the genius Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Let's go find it. It's time to unlock the snowball superpower.
Here's how you use your new power. You stand at the very top of a giant snowy mountain. You pack a tiny snowball, just the size of a baseball, and you give it a little push. At first, it's slow, but then it starts rolling and growing, and now it's the size of a basketball. And it keeps rolling, faster. Now it's as big as a car. And it doesn't stop. It gets bigger and faster and bigger until it becomes an unstoppable avalanche.
You think that avalanche is crazy? Check out this number. This is the secret ingredient, 99%. That is how much of Warren Buffett's billions of dollars he made after his 50th birthday. 99%. The magic isn't being a genius investor. The magic is having a really, really, really long hill for your snowball to roll down. The secret ingredient is time. Okay, listen to me very, very carefully. This is the most important secret in this entire adventure. You've learned how to build a giant, unstoppable snowball. But there is one thing, one deadly trap that can destroy all of it in a single, heart-stopping second. You must beware the deadly zero. To protect your snowball, you have to learn this sacred incantation from the master wizard himself. Recite it with me. Rule number 1, never lose money. And the second most important rule, rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Let's play a quick game. We'll call it the sniper. Imagine you're building a huge tower of points. You get 10 times 10, that's 100. Times 10 is 1,000. Times 10 is 10,000. Times 10 is 100,000. Your tower is magnificent. But then, from the shadows, the sniper appears. He doesn't subtract anything. He just adds one tiny little thing to the end of your math problem. Times 0. And what happens? Boom. Everything is gone. Your 100,000 points, your magnificent tower, it all vanishes and becomes this. A giant, empty zero. The zero eats everything. One big, greedy mistake, one bet that's just too risky, can wipe out years and years of hard work. The lazy investor is terrified of the zero.
But you are not going to let that happen. You've learned the secrets, you've mastered the spells, you've defeated the villains, and now it is time to claim your ultimate reward. The final treasure isn't gold or jewels, it is true freedom.
And here it is, your very own secret cheat sheet to winning the game of money for the rest of your life. This is the Lazy Manifesto. Number 1, stop swimming. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, just buy the whole haystack with a simple index fund. Number 2, ignore the neighbor. Never ever sell in a panic just because crazy Mr. Market is having a bad day. Number 3, find a long hill. Time is your superpower. Let your snowball grow for decades. And number 4, fear the zero. Never make a bet so big that it can wipe you out of the game completely. Survival is everything.
You now have all the tools. You have the map. You can build a snowball of wealth so massive it will set you free forever. But listen closely, there's one final villain, a silent thief that sneaks around every single day trying to melt your snowball drip by drip. It's not the market, it's not fees, it's something else. Are you ready to fight it? Find out in our next adventure. I'll see you on the lazy river.